Place this in your cabinet and the moths will disappear. These are troublesome pests that can quickly settle into kitchen cupboards, so it's best to act right away and repel them naturally. Take a piece of aluminum foil and tear off a section, then fold it in half. Add ground coffee and spread it evenly. The strong aroma is especially unpleasant for moths. Next, add bay leaves, which have long been known for their insect-repelling properties. Toss in a few cloves. Their scent is irritating to moths. Then add a pinch of cardamom, either ground or whole, to further boost the fragrance blend. Now fold the foil into a neat square. Fold 2 opposite sides inward. Then fold the remaining sides as well, sealing everything tightly. Use a toothpick to make a few small holes so the scent can be released gradually. Gently warm the foil over a burner. This helps the spices and coffee release their essential oils, making the aroma stronger and longer lasting against moths. Place the finished scented packet in a cabinet with dry goods or near fruit. The smell will repel moths and keep them from coming back to your kitchen cupboards. You won't see flies, mosquitoes, ants, cockroaches, or moths in your home anymore. Try this simple trick with aluminum foil to get rid of these insects quickly and effectively. Prepare a small bowl. First, you'll need instant coffee. Put 2 tablespoons of instant coffee into the bowl. Coffee repels many pests, but is especially good at keeping mosquitoes away. Next, prepare some hot pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of pepper to the coffee. Its scent will deter moths and ants. You'll also need bay leaves. Take a few bay leaves and crush or cut them into smaller pieces. Bay leaves are particularly effective against moths. Gently mix the spices together. Now, prepare some aluminum foil. Tear or cut a piece and divide it into smaller sections like I show in the video. We need pieces about this size. Lay 1 piece flat and put a spoonful of the insect mixture on it. Fold the foil as I do. This will help you get rid of ants, moths, flies, and mosquitoes. Once you have your little packet, poke a few holes in it with a toothpick. Place these spice-filled foil packets in various spots around your home. The smell of the spices will keep ants, moths, flies, and cockroaches away. This way, you can eliminate these insects from every corner of your home,